let's look at how we can actually do this type of question. So this is a very important question in primary 4 mathematics in Singapore. uh, I call this the start and the end question, and then something happen in between. All right. Okay, so to do this question, the best approach I think is to start from the end. So what's the end? The end says they had the same number of cookies left. So at the end, they had the same number of cookies left. So if you were to use the model method to do this question, you can actually draw this. They end with the same, so you probably want to, yeah. And then Nicole, you have these two persons here, Nicole and Joey. Okay, so to represent they had the same number of cookies left, so you use this diagram. All right, Nicole has 1 bar, and then Joey has 1 bar. That represents they have the same number of cookies left. So that is the end. And what happened so that they had the same number of cookies left? Then you read this statement. After Nicole gave away 235 cookies, Joey gave away 19 cookies. So at the start, so what happened at the start? At the start is, therefore, Joey should be Joey gave away 19 cookies to end with 1 bar. So therefore, at the start, Joey need to add back the 19. Okay, so you need to add back the 19 to get to the start. All right. And what happened to Nicole? Nicole gave away 235 cookies. So for the start, so Nicole at the end is 1 bar, and this is after Nicole gave away 235. So therefore, at the start, Nicole should be 1 bar plus 235. And of course, how long is the plus 235, right? It depends on the question. Okay, why I say so? Because if you read the first statement here, it says Nicole had baked 5 times as many as Joey. So this means your this one must be 5 times than Joey. So it means Nicole must be 5, and then Joey must be 1. Okay, so clearly I need more space for the above, okay, for the above diagram for the start, because this one doesn't look like 1 to 5 to me. Okay, so let me just adjust this a little bit. Also, that's why it's important that you use pencil, okay, so that you can easily erase and do the modification. Okay, seems like I need to raise this a little bit. Okay, so this one I need to extend it a little bit to reflect that it's 5 times. Okay, and seems like this one is I can actually make the 19 smaller to better reflect the 1 to 5. Okay, so I think right now is quite representative, uh, 5 to 1. So when you have the 5 to 1, so what you can do is, that means this one is 1, above is 5 times. So therefore, what you need to do is, in order for Joey to reach 5, so you just repeat this one, I mean this whole thing, another 4 times. So it looks like I need to adjust even more to better reflect the 5 to 1. Okay, so far so good. So I better draw a line here to split the start and the end. Okay, so that's it. Okay, you can also double check again. So 5 to 1. So that means you need to have 5 of this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then you will reach the Nicole number of cookies. Alright, so the start and the end is the same for the start part. So with this, so the way to continue to do the calculation is, so we have done the modeling. Okay, we have drawn the model. So now is the calculation part. The calculation part is also quite simple. Why? Because if you have 1 unit here, then you have 1 unit here. So you just cancel them. Therefore, you should just focus on, okay, when I say cancel, right, you can also see it this way. Instead of, you can just remove it. Okay? So right now, it's pretty clear. Okay? From here to here, okay, you need to form an equation. The equation is 235. Okay? Everything here is 235. Okay? And below has to be 235 also because they are equal. Okay? So therefore, it's equal to, so how many 19 you have below? You have 119, second, third, fourth, and 5. So you have 519, so 5 times 19. And how many bar you have? You have 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bars. So you plus 4, you can call it unit, right? Or you can call it 4 bars. Alright? So with this, you can solve. So it's 235 is equal to 95 plus 4 bars. Okay? So 4 bars is equal to 235 minus the 95. So 4 bars will give you 140. Therefore 1 bar is how much? 1 bar is 140 divided by 4. So you can use a calculator, it should be 35. And the question asks, if the question asks for nickel at the end, so nickel at the end is this, right? So 1 bar is 35. So therefore the answer is 35. Alright? So that's how you can actually solve this kind of question. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.